You know, 2 years ago, Curtis Reeves shot and killed Chad Olson during an argument in a Wesley Chapel movie theater.
Well, now Olson's wife, Nicole, is suing the theater where this happened. The suit not only targets the movie theater, but also a manager there. But Fox 13's Gloria Gomez says it could have unintended results of boosting the defense of Curtis Reeves. What's going on, Gloria?
Well, some say this lawsuit actually helps Curtis Reeves in his defense, but Olson's attorney says, no, it doesn't.
The timing is odd.
The timing is very odd.
The admissions are surprising.
It concedes that Chad Olson turned around and engaged Reeves in an argument.
Months before theater shooter Curtis Reeves is set to argue his stand your ground defense in the shooting death of Chad Olson, Reeves' attorneys may be getting a legal boost from an unexpected source.
Because the defense can now use these admissions for cross-examination purposes.
The victim's widow, Nicole Olson, and her attorneys filed a civil lawsuit against the movie theater and the theater manager, claiming negligence. The complaint says they had a responsibility to de-escalate the situation, but instead did nothing. TJ Grimaldi is Nicole Olson's attorney.
It matters what Reeves is saying that he told this person. And based on what this person was told, he needs to make the determination, which is, I believe any reasonable person would, that they need to get up to investigate to determine what's going on in my movie theater.
Attorney Anthony Rickman reviewed the complaint for Fox 13. He says in the suit, Nicole Olson concedes her husband was the aggressor, taking Curtis Reeves' own words to bolster her lawsuit. It explains Reeves complains to the theater manager about Chad Olson's, quote, erratic and volatile behavior.
It then says that the staff is now responsible, essentially, for Olson's death because they didn't stop her husband from fighting.
But Grimaldi refutes that.
It purportedly was occurring. We are not suggesting, we are not even becoming close to agreeing with the fact that Chad was the aggressor.
It was January of 2013 when Chad Olson was shot and killed during a dispute over texting in a movie theater in Wesley Chapel. Reeves, a former Tampa police captain, says he feared for his life when he shot Olson.
It scared the hell out of me. I thought the guy was fixing to beat the shit out of me.
Reeves says Olson threw his cell phone and a bag of popcorn at him during the confrontation. The civil suit confirms Olson threw the popcorn. Rickman says that's the moment the confrontation turns physical.
When you file a lawsuit, those are admissions. You are admitting to those facts. Those facts that you admit to now are fair game on cross-examination in a criminal case.
But Grimaldi isn't worried.
That's in fact not true. We stand by the position that we have stated all along, that he was not the aggressor.
Now, Grimaldi says Nicole is asking for monetary damages, but most importantly, she wants to see changes to movie theaters, including safeguards and as well as training for employees, so something like this doesn't happen again. Back to you.
All right. Thank you so much, Gloria.